Good afternoon and welcome back. Chiefs are doing well. Wily little creatures. But today we're here for this elderberry. You can see here that a boring insect has damaged this elderberry shoot, which was actually coming out in the walkway, so not a bad natural pruning to happen. And we're gonna prune this back and then take some softwood cuttings out of this. We should still be able to get some cuttings here. Boom. And actually, we're gonna go all the way down to the base with this one. I see a couple of good nodes here and a damaged internode there. You can see whatever does that will really take out your elderberry. But when I say take it out, I mean prune it. And it prunes it in a reasonable way. So far I haven't had serious losses here. But I will be able to get some cuttings out of this. And that boring insect did the work of selecting what branch to pick. So, I mean, this right here, that's a good looking cutting. I think that's going to root. Oh, actually, we can do one of these. There we go. Now I really feel like that's going to root. It's one good one. I think if we actually just plant this horizontally, we might get some shoots that come up from here. This one looks like it's primed. And then this top, we've got another one. Another cutting. And one more. Boom. So, 4 cuttings from a branch that was needing to get pruned anyways. Not so bad. Not so bad. You can take advantage of little stuff like that and keep the elderberry flowing. Anyways, thanks for watching.